We at Discover Airlines, we really experienced a fantastic partnership with emnify, and we could really develop this product and solution together. We could relax while other airlines really had to figure out new solutions. With emnify, we now have 100% connectivity at all our destinations, and it's reliable and fast. My name is Jonas Becker. I'm the EFB administrator at Discover Airlines, and I'm responsible for all cockpit IT related topics, so the electronic flight bag, but also the connectivity of the crews in the layover, during turnaround, and so on. Discover Airlines is set to be the leisure carrier of the Lufthansa Group, flying to the holiday destinations of so many people. With our previous connectivity setup, we had pretty much manual work. So we relied on physical SIM cards, which had to be given out to the crews whenever a new crew member entered our company, but also when devices were repaired and so on, our devices were exchanged for new generation, of course, which happens from time to time. And now with our MDM deployment, this is totally automatic, and we could just delete this process from our processes for all the device enrollment. For the cockpit crews, the electronic flight bag is really crucial for their job. It's really the most important device our cockpit crews have. So it was 2024 when Apple announced that the upcoming iPad Air generations would not have a physical SIM slot anymore. And for us, also relying on a physical SIM card at that point in time, and many other airlines, of course it was quite a shock, so to say. But at that time we were already in contact with emnify and were working on our new solution, which already included eSIMs. With emnify, we now have 100% connectivity at all our destinations, and it's reliable and fast. So nothing to worry about. The crews just turn off the flight mode and their iPad will be connected to the internet. That's basically it, but it's such a big improvement for us. That it's really worth pointing out. With unusual destinations such as the Maldives, Namibia or Mauritius, it's quite complicated, and only a few providers are even able to provide connectivity for such remote destinations, and all have them combined in one product. Finding one provider is really a challenge there, and emnify came into place. Whenever we had a need, people of emnify really worked on it. They understood our problem, and they sometimes had a solution within days. Even features we didn't even talk about or think about in the initial process, but just because it might be possible, we are just now thinking about them. With DNS filtering, we can really ensure that we only pay for services our crews really need. So with the passes we had before, we could not really control what the data consumption was used for. So there could be Apple updates, but it could be also any other service on the iPad. So with the DNS filtering, we make sure that only briefing packages, weather data and so on are downloaded and are also accounted tools. Just overall, a really fantastic partnership, and together developing a new product that hasn't been in use anywhere before. We could relax while other airlines really had to figure out new solutions. So far it's a fantastic partnership, and it's like growing together. Yeah.